Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please comment and let me know what you think. Today's tutorial will be about makeup meets menopause. I already pre-did her eyebrows off camera. I just filled it in with MAC Cosmetics Espresso, and I'm using BlackOpal stick foundation in the shade Nutmeg to conceal the concealer. Above, I'll leave a little note so you guys can view another video on how I do my eyebrows from start to finish. Yes, take your time to blend in the lines of your eyebrows. For above the eyebrows, I'm using two different foundation by BlackOpal stick foundation, Carob and Nutmeg. All you have to do from now on is just blend both products together and also thin it out on the skin. At this point, this is my final fade in and shade in. At this point, I like to blend my eyebrows together to give it that fade effect. Please, you guys, comment, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure let me know what you think about my eyebrow technique. I love doing eyebrows. You see all that juice in this foundation around the eyebrows? Just don't forget to blend it out or thin it out with the brush. Alright you guys, I'm using Pond Moisturizer to moisturize her face. Then I'm using a Becker Poreless Primer to mattify her face. Next, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Orange Color Corrective to hide any dark blemishes on her face. Okay, I'm using P. Louise Roman number 2 as an eyelid base. This is going to be the most easiest eyeshadow that you guys ever done. It's only called the number 12. I call it the number 1-2. Which means you just need a crease color and a lid color. I'm just using a regular dark brown color, or you can use a brick color, whatever color you like in the crease. Just you need two colors. Make sure you dig into the product so you can see it in the crease. Then you put a little bit more primer back on the lid, the P. Louise number 2 as our eyelid base. Then all you do is dig into the eyeshadow that you like on the lid and you just pat it on the eye. The more you dig, the more you can see. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using will be listed in the description box. I will list both items or both shades that I use on the lid in the description box. The eyeshadow is from the Juvia Place palette. Make sure you bring the crease color onto the tail of the eyes and blend it out nicely. Remember, you can use any two color. It doesn't have to be from that palette. You just need two shades, a nice pretty crease color and a nice lid color. That's it. Now I'm using Amuse Cosmetic Liquid Jet Black Eyeliner. I'll list that in the description box. I love the texture of this liquid liner. It's super black and it gets the job done in like one swipe. So now I'm going to clean up the tail of the eye with some foundation. All I'm using is Nutmeg foundation that I use around her eyebrows to sharpen up her wing liner. Next, I'll be using Juvia Place foundation. Right now, I'm just doing a spot test. The first color I placed was Malawi, and the second color is Gabon. At this point, I'm trying to think to myself which one I will pick, but I will pick Gabon for the inside, then Malawi for the outside. This is my favorite foundation stippling brush. This is in the description box. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box. I always work from the inner center of the face and I'll work in the outer perimeter of the face. I try my best to mimic the skin complexion of the face. To me, most of the time I see that the inner center of the face is lighter than the outer perimeter of the face on certain people. Not everybody, but certain people. And as you can see, make sure you bring that foundation as close as possible to the eyebrows to make sure you blend that product in. Right now I'm just cleaning up any product that might be stuck to her eyelashes. Now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I forgot the name, but I'll list the ones that I think it is in the description box. Next, I'll be using the Real Technique 402 brush to blend the concealer down. This is my new favorite brush to blend the concealer down. As you can see how nice it blends it down, and also you can still see the concealer, but it's not too much. It thins it out as you blend. If you feel like it's too much concealer, you can use the foundation that already has product on it and pat the edges of the concealer. This will help tone it down. Now to contour her, I'll be using the liquid foundation by MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NW48 in 58 mix. So I'm doing my contour and placement, and as I go along, I notice that her skin starts to perspire. Plus, I also try to blend it in and also keep the makeup together. But I notice there's a certain change in her body temperature. At this point, I'm grabbing the fan. It's not menopause, right?
Yeah, I got early menopause.
Okay. I know. It stopped. It started and it stopped. Okay.
Yeah, I caught mine at the age of like 30.
Okay.
And I kept trying to tell my doctor, she kept telling me, and then she finally this year told me I had early menopause.
Okay.
I'm like, I ain't seen my menstruation in 2 and 3 years yet.
Oh my God. So do you have it or no more?
I have it every now and then, and I be a bitch with it.
Oh my God. Your daughter just stay out your way?
She stay in her room anyway because she be YouTubing and stuff.
Oh, okay. She got a YouTube channel?
I don't know if she got a channel because she don't be letting me know everything, but I bought her like the camera and stuff. The only thing she missing is this thing right here.
Yeah. I just ordered me a new one.
Off Amazon?
Yeah. I'll send you the link.
Because she like to do goofy stuff.
Do the fan help you with menopause or no?
Yeah, it helped me because I have 2 fans in my room and plus the air conditioner.
Okay. My experience with clients with menopause, I'll just say you have to like take your time with the product. Make sure you apply more. Try to work with what you have. Apply little as possible until the temperature of the skin calms down. No more sweat. You know, just keep patting and, you know, take your time. Talk to your client. Talk to yourself until you're completely calm, and then you'll see that the skin is back to normal.
I be a bitch when I get out. I be crying, don't want you to go. Just leave, don't ask me no questions. Just leave me alone. Just go somewhere.
So you want another baby?
No.
So why, I heard you have to do the hysterectomy to get, why you?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm fine because this one here, she give me a run for mine.
Oh, okay.
I be
Look up.
She give me a run for it.
You know, I heard to stop the menopause, you gotta do that surgery.
And I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm gonna let it play itself out.
Oh,
after 7 years, it goes away.
Oh, okay. So, what year are you in?
I don't know because I don't get it as much as I used to get it before she told me I had it. It's very mild now.
So, what year is you on? You just found out this year?
Yes. Well, I've been knew I had it. My doctor just found out I have it.
Okay.
But before, it was real bad. And now it's, you know, like now I'm cooling off.
Okay.
And it's, you know, but when I knew about it before my doctor did, I used to cry all the time and be in the room day and night. Don't come out the room, don't eat, don't do nothing.
Oh my God.
And had an attitude with everybody.
How long it lasts? Like this is what?
This is very mild.
So you only catch an attitude when it's your menstruum?
No, you don't get a menstrual no more.
Oh, okay.
I used to just like, basically, it's like, it's mixed with when you be pregnant and have your menstruation.
Oh, okay.
So your feelings be like, you be sad. Everything bothers you. You don't know why you crying, so you just think you retarded. It be like mood swings.
Okay.
Yeah, it be mood swings. But my thing is with mine, I cried a lot and I was always sad.
Okay. Do you have to take medication for that? Or no?
They want me to take medication, but a lot of older people say don't take nothing. Just let it go away on its own.
That's good.
Because they have medication and you can get a shot.
Because I have another lady, she goes through the same thing too. And she be like, oh, bring me the fan.
Yeah,
She says, okay, just keep going. It's gonna stop. Just keep going.
Because I done cooled off.
Now she just said it. She cooled off, so of course I continue. You can see that the skin is back to normal, so all I'm doing is setting her face. This is why you don't wear makeup?
I think so. And then I don't want to do too much. I just want something very simple.
Okay.
Something I know I can get up and do and go about my business.
So I'm just using a Benign Natural Set and MAC Cosmetics Skin Finisher in the shade Dark to set her face. So it's set everywhere on the face, including the eyebrow, so it won't be no shine. Now that we learned about menopause, I want you guys to comment and let me know what you think. And if you're going through the same issue, please comment. I would love to know and read your story. Please, you guys, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And give this video a thumbs up too. Okay, you guys, for the eyeliner, I'll be using a black coal pencil by MAC Cosmetics called Feline. Now I'm just smudging a dark powder underneath the eyes. So I'm going to use a regular press powder that's almost like the baking powder. Because you know her little condition, I don't know, she might bust right back out again. So we have to move very fast. Now I'm using the Black Radiant Contouring Palette. The shade that I'm using in the middle is called Sculpt. I love this contouring palette because it allows you to give this face a little bit more structure. Now you guys know I love my little Juvia Place palette. I'll list that in the description box. I just do a little mixture of all three just for the cheeks. Now if you feel like it's too much blush, you can always get your foundation brush and brush on top of your blush to tone it down. For the lips, I'm using MAC Cosmetics Chestnut Pencil. And for the lipstick, I think it's called Myth. Chestnut and Myth lipstick is my to-go product for the lips. Because if you could throw any type of lip gloss on top, it will change the whole look, the whole color. The lip gloss is by MAC Cosmetics. I'll list that in the description box. Now is the time to fix, change, or rearrange anything that you see or don't like. I'm just using mascara to pull out her bottom lashes and the top. She has a little fallout, so I'll be using the concealer or foundation brush to clean it up. I sprayed some setting spray to help the bronzer pop out. Now I'll be using some Juvia Place Loose Bronzer. I'll list that in the description box. For the center of the eyes, I'm just using some NYX Pearl White Pigment to give her a little pop. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please comment and let me know what you think about this video. And please give this video a thumbs up. And see you again, and thank you for tuning in.